photographer. Dating with your lover is always fun until the food comes out. Oh yes, I am starving. Wait, what? Why? Pictures first. Amy just wants to take a picture to share on Instagram. But Max is just so hungry. One more! Ugh. Alright, time to eat. Ugh, finally. The diet eater. Eating is always a good experience, but it may not be if you are on a diet. No, Amy, too many calories. You better eat lettuce. Ugh, I don't like lettuce. Oh my gosh, soda, I love the sound. I wish I can drink soda. I better drink water. I wish I can eat everything like Max. The messy eater. Always ready to dig into some pasta. Amy eats pasta like a well-mannered person. Really, Max? That's gross. Ew, I don't want to sit next to you, you messy eater. The junk food eater. After a few hours of working, Max is hungry and wants some snacks. Chips or apples? Of course chips. I love chips. Fruits? Nah. Salad? No. Pizza? Yes, good choice for lunch. I love pizza. The plate licker. Lily and Amy are eating lunch together. This is the last spoon of mashed potatoes and Amy starts licking her plate. Ew, that's gross. Hey, no touchy. The open mouth eater. Talking to friends is always nice until they eat and still want to tell you something. Oh, what the? Stop! No, ew, I'm out of here, mouth eater. The royal eater. Holding your pizza is always the best way to eat pizza, but for Amy, it's not. I should wear a napkin before eating. My soda has to be served fancy. I will use a knife to cut my pizza into smaller pieces. This is the best way to eat pizza. I feel so fancy. Ugh, you're so weird. The hot saucer. Oh my gosh, hot sauce. I love hot sauce. I will put it on pizza, salad, fries, hamburger. Ooh, let's eat the pizza first. Oh my gosh, it tastes so good. Max, do you think that is too much hot sauce? No, that's great. I love hot sauce. The food thief. Amy really loves food. She can eat everything on her plate. Ugh, I'm still hungry. Max still has food. Max, over there, huh? Wait, where's my food? Are you kidding me? Amy, that's mine. The bottoms up. Amy is really enjoying her chips. What? No more chips? That's fine. Time to bottoms up. I don't want to waste any piece of my chips. The crumbs are so yummy. Finished! And that's the best way to eat chips.